miles. We'll see you when we get there. Tires and chains are required. Heavy traffic. I'm already 30 miles into it. There's no turning back now. Alright, we are on the final stretch to Mount Charleston. We've made our turn off at Kyle Canyon already. Elevation is now 4,000 feet. Doing a little climbing now. Not sure what the final elevation is. We'll find out in a little bit. Maybe 8,000. And take you in on the way back down. Looks pretty busy right now. Let's see how I feel. Said they're gonna let 50 cars through right now. Check it out. Hang tough. Maybe they heard me complaining. All right. That's what I'm talking about. How you doing? Anyways, a lot of people out there barbecuing, I see. Picnic area right there, nice picnic area. Some nice places here, people sledding. We used to bring the kids back up here in the early 1990s. Let them sled. We're at 7,000 feet now. Look at the horse. Check that out. Is that crazy or what? Let me turn the heat on just a little bit. Nice cabins up here. Great for the kids. Got Mary Jane Falls, Trails Canyon, got that blocked off. Hoping I can get up here where the other lodge used to be. They had a lodge up on top. I guess it burned down a couple years ago. I don't know what they've done with it. We'll find out in a minute. Love to put the drone up here right now. Lodge here. Debbie and I stayed in that cabin right there. For our anniversary. I don't know why they got this blocked off. Cabin guests only. Alright, I'm gonna try and pull over. Right here. if I can get the drone up. Be right back. Oh, I smell the coffee and hot chocolate right over here.
Stay close.
Nice little chair, get your picture taken. How many Christmas trees do they have in here? Alright, we'll get outside and walk you around. Alright, let's walk around back here and see what they got out back. This is that restaurant area right there. Nice big windows. Get some views of the mountain. Big fire pit out here. Too bad they don't have the fire going right now. Maybe they do that at nighttime, not sure. Got a little seat over here. Take a picture over here in this seat. Get your selfies. Be careful when you get in it or out of it. Beautiful out here, guys. Okay, everybody thinks Las Vegas is just casinos. That is false. Come to Las Vegas. Come enjoy the outskirts of Las Vegas. See what we see. Got nice hiking trails down here. Hiking trails everywhere. That's where I was flying the drone up there in the clouds. Alright, I'm going to get off this mountain. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share out to your friends. You guys have a great day and God bless.